3, 2, 1, start. The elections for electing the office bearers of a society or a committee of management of an educational institution in accordance with the scheme of administration either by the office bearers of the outgoing committee of management or authorized controller appointed by the educational authorities, requires several steps to be taken, which include the finalization of the electoral college, advertising a date and venue for holding elections, appointment of observer, etc. The persons participating in the election process raise several disputes during the process and file writ petitions seeking directions to the educational authorities, full stop. A large number of writ petitions are being filed in the High Court seeking directions either way during the process of elections, full stop. The court takes judicial notice of the fact that thousands of writ petitions are filed every year in the matters of elections of the societies and the committee of management of the educational institution for which a separate determination has been carved out, full stop. This court is very often swayed by the circumstances and the aggressive arguments advanced by learned counsels appearing for the parties, pass interim orders or directions, which caused interference the process of election, full stop. Very often the parties do not give the background of the case and the number of writ petitions filed earlier in respect of same elections, causing further confusions, which is later on sought to be resolved by making representations to consider as to who is in effective control of the institutions to be decided by the regional level committee, full stop. In the present case also a second writ petition was filed giving rise to this special appeal seeking directions for deciding the objections to the validity of the electoral college, full stop. In the matter of elections, the Supreme Court and this court have consistently taken a view that the courts should not interfere in the process of elections once the elections have been notified, as the adjudicating authority cannot conclusively decide any dispute in the middle of the process of election, nor the fundamental rights of any of the parties are affected as elections have always been held to be statutory right, full stop. The parties can always be relegated to the forum of adjudication and election tribunals after the results of the elections are declared, full stop. In the case of elections to the parliament and legislative assemblies, the Representation of Peoples Act, 1951 provides that election petition be filed in the High Court, full stop. In the matter of elections to societies and cooperative societies, the statutes regulating the registration and elections of the societies provide for constitution of election tribunals for challenging the elections, full stop. In the case of societies registered under the Societies Registration Act, the elections of the office bearers can be challenged before the prescribed authority under section 25 of the Societies Registration Act, and in order to determine as to who is in effective control, section 16A within bracket 7 of the UP Intermediate Education Act provide for the authorities, which in the present case is the regional level committee, full stop. A 5-judge bench of this court in Committee of Management versus Deputy Director of Education and others, civil miscellaneous writ petition number 36267 of 1992 decided on 15/10/2004 held as follows full stop.